you subscribing now?
And get your notes down while it's fresh in your mind. But I'm doing a spot check tomorrow of where you are. And I know some of you are finished, some of you will be finished, some of you will be almost finished. But we have to kind of have a pace. So I'm gonna do a spot look at how your notes are coming along about what you're learning.
Lisa, how do you think it is as a curriculum, if I can ask you? Or
I think it's the curriculum. It goes really well with what we are teaching because I think the importance of them learning how to predict weather, walking around, is going to be helpful. It's a life skill. And I think it's good for students to be good at that and to know that they can look at data and analyze, is this accurate and what it's based on.
I literally teach you how to forecast a tornado, how to forecast hurricanes.
That's where we're going next.
Awesome.
We are going to move into severe weather.